When we come to the ROI side of this, I think one is the traditional software ROI, right? I implement this, so much hours of saving, so much. But this needs a very different ROI perspective, don't you think? Like, I think when we implement agents in a company, you're not going to look at it from a one and done approach, right? This is transformative. So how do companies evaluate ROI of something like agentic?
Very, I would say that's a very pertinent question. And we encounter this all the time. And because that's the most important question that an Indian customer would generally ask you, right? Hey, what is the ROI of this investment? The way we are looking at this question is, see, AI is not a discretionary purchase that you are doing like, hey, I'm buying 100 laptops and you tell me how it is going to work and stuff like that. It's a very strategic investment and an approach that you are taking. And what we are suggesting our customers is to take the AI factory approach. And that's what we call as the best way that an organization can look at its AI roadmap. What AI factory does for you is three things. The first thing that it does for you is it removes the problem of shadow AI that I highlighted. It brings a lot of structure. It brings a lot of, I would say, governance in the way AI is touching different departments and functions in the organization. The second thing that the AI does is gives you the best of breed stack in terms of what is available to you. For example, the same grade or the same quality of stack that a large hyperscaler would have, is available to you as an organization. Without the kind of investments that the hyperscalers are doing on it.
And without the concern of how many tokens, because it's all
it's all on your this thing. And the third thing that AI Factory is doing for you is it is commoditizing the availability of AI or the accessibility of AI for you as an organization. Because when I say AI Factory, a lot of people think about, hey, maybe they are talking about 100,000 GPUs and tens of thousands of racks and so on and so forth.
Millions of dollars.
And that's not the case. If an organization wants to start the journey, they can really start with a very small, relatively small, I would say, setup, and then modularly expand as their workloads expand. The idea here is about having the reference architecture or the vision of an AI factory in place as you start off, rather than you letting AI proliferate in your environment, you getting dependent on all the ISPs and everybody who is operating, and then you're looking at consolidating, because that becomes very difficult.
Very painful.
It's very painful, right?
Painful and expensive.
So what we are suggesting is organizations can start off with the end in mind. They can future-proof their AI roadmap in a way that it can scale as their workload scales. Now, coming back to your ROI question here, this, when you are taking a factory approach, it is not like buying something and then putting it in your environment, right? It is a journey. So you and that's what Jensen referred to during the GTC keynote, that is the precise reason why we declare our roadmaps years in advance. Because we want our customers to plan their AI factory build out in a way that suits them.